Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can transfer a side project in your workspace on the Webflow website builder. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to your dashboard inside your account on Webflow website. Navigate to the workspace here and choose all sites. Now before before you complete the transfer of the given website project, make sure that you have admin rights or that you are the owner of it. So if that's the case, click into these three dots next to the given site project name, select transfer site from the drop down menu. Then you will be redirected to this option here. So you can transfer it to a specific user or to a workspace. In this case here, you will need to choose the workspace here. If, for instance, I don't know, within your account and you have multiple workspaces, you will be given the opportunity to select the workspace. Here, for example, just bear in mind, guys, that if you move or transfer your site, it will be unpublished, right? So no matter if you do it with a workspace or with a user, in this case here, for instance, if I select user, as you can see, it is basically the same. The given site will be unpublished. And if you'd like to transfer it to a specific user, you will need to enter the recipient's email address here and confirm by clicking into that button. The given user will need to accept or decline the transfer, and you will be notified of that to your associated email address you signed up on here or for the given account, of course. So let me click into cancel. I would like to keep that side project, but that's how it works, guys. That's how we transfer side projects on Webflow. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.